Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox Boya BY-M1 microphone which I ordered from Amazon. This microphone was used by most of the YouTubers. So let's unbox this mic. So before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel for further more videos. The packing looks quite good, and let's have a look at the details on box. The model number was BY-M1. It comes with a 20 feet audio cable, and let's just see the back side of the box. Coming to the features, it has a clip on mic for smartphone, for DSLR, for camcorders, for audio decoders and PC, etc. It comes with omnidirectional condenser microphone. It has high quality condenser and is ideal for video use also. It has low handling noise. It also includes lapel clip, LR44 battery. It comes with foam windscreen and it has 1/4 inch adapter. Okay, coming to the specification, the transducer is an electret condenser. The polar pattern is omnidirectional. The frequency ranges from 65 Hz to 18 kHz, and the signal or noise was 74 decibels SPL. The output impedance was 1000 ohm or less. The connector is a 3.5 mm jack. It's a 4-pole gold plug. Coming to the accessories included, it comes with lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. Coming to the battery type, it was LR44. Coming to the dimension, the cable comes with 6 meters long and the weight of the microphone was 2.5 grams. For use with lavalier microphone on action cameras, it requires TRRS to TRS adapter, then only it would work. Okay, let's just open the box and see what items we have received. So the Boya mic comes with 20 feet audio cable, which is long enough to shoot long distance video shot, and we can record the videos seamlessly. So here we get the pouch with manuals and the warranty card, and in warranty card we can see the details given to fill for the purpose of warranty. And backside we have all the information on how to get it done. So let's just keep aside. And along with that, user manual comes with all the details and specifications and how to set up, and also a detailed note on how to switch between the devices, and all the total info comes here. So I will open the pouch and see how the mic actually looks like. The mic comes with a connected adapter and a wire folded with a strap nicely. We have a lapel hook, a battery and a foam with a very good packing in it. And have a look at the pouch, as the pouch has a very good finish and a smooth texture on it. It is easy to carry the mic within the pouch, and I think this will be very useful during travel to carry also. Okay, let's just keep aside and have a detailed look of the connector, foam and battery. So it comes with one LR44 battery. We just need to insert the battery in the given slot. Now we will look at the mic. Let's just talk about the build quality of the mic. It feels so premium, and the wire quality was very good with the strap. The wire quality is so good for carrying but not tangle free. So while making videos, please fold it according to your distance. The microphone comes with adapter with a dual switching mode, where you can switch in between for smartphone and camera for better audio quality. The mic comes with a 3.5 mm jack, which can be connected with smartphone, laptop or DSLR. The cable is 20 feet long for recordings, and it comes with a collar clip too. While using camera, you can switch to camera option, and while using smartphone, you can switch to smartphone option. Guys, ensure this switch while recording with the device, because most of them worried while connecting to smartphone it was not working, but here we need to switch to smartphone mode, so it works perfectly. So the mic comes with a foam shield for noise reduction. This microphone is a omnidirectional microphone. Actually, the meaning of omnidirectional microphone is designed to pick up the sound from all sides of the mic, meaning that a speaker can talk into a microphone from any direction and it will be able to capture the sound. So this is the whole set we receive in the box, guys, with all the fittings and accessories. And in it comes with an LR44 battery, as these batteries are available nearby shops too. And also it comes with a lapel clip which can be attached to collar. So we'll have a look at foam shield. It is provided for noise cancellation to have a better audio quality. So let's just put aside. Guys, this mic is very good for long distance shot, but the problem is wire management. You have to strap it well while doing a video to avoid disturbances. Okay, I will just show you how the mic looks like without foam, and this is how it looks. So the foam can be slided into it to avoid the external noises. Okay, let's see how the battery looks inside the adapter, and you can see how it's opening in a twisting manner, and this is how the battery looks inside, and we'll close it the same way. We can replace the battery once it's drained. Now coming to the audio quality, we will check both indoor and outdoor. Test 1. Guys, I'm recording the voice from indoor, and you can check the quality of sound during the indoor. Guys, I'm recording the voice from outdoor, and you can check the quality of sound. So this is how the sound feels. Guys, I will show you the difference of audio quality with phone recording, built-in camera also, so that you can see difference in audio quality. Okay guys, now I am playing the audio which I recorded in my mobile. Now you can listen to the audio quality and the difference between indoor, outdoor and my phone recording. So coming to the price, I purchased for 779 rupees in Amazon. I will also provide the link in description. Go check it out. Coming to the conclusion, this mic is so suitable for YouTube beginners, and it comes with a very long audio cable. This mic is best in this price range. For travel vloggers, this mic is bit difficult to manage. For general voice recording and music recordings, this is the best mic. Guys, if you want to record the audio, do it in a silent room or use a noise remover software for the recorded audio, as it catches the external noises too. So guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.